Samsung just announced its latest pack of flagship smartphones. That's the Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and the S20 Ultra. Aside the huge rectangular camera system on its back, the S20s look very similar to their predecessors, but there are a number of differences hiding in plain sight. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the hidden features on the S20 device. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get our timely updates. And if this isn't your first time, welcome back. Feature we're going to be trying today is how to hide your apps. To do that, go to the home screen, tap and hold anywhere on the screen, go to home screen settings, and then down to hide apps. So you can choose any apps that you want to hide. Say for instance, I want to hide my Google Chrome, and then I'll just click done. So now I won't be able to find Google Chrome anywhere in my list of apps. Now, how to unhide the apps? Go back to the home screen settings, which is by tapping on anywhere on the screen, and then home screen settings, and then go down to hide apps and hit the minus button on the apps that you want to unhide. Click done, and you can find the app right there. The next feature is how to schedule a message. If you need to send an important message to someone later in the day, and like me, you forget, this feature is for you. Of course, you can set a reminder, but even better is being able to schedule the message. So you do that by opening up your messaging app, select your desired contact, type your message, hi, and then click the side arrow here and hit the plus button and schedule message. So you can set whatever time that you want, then click done, and hit the send button like you would send a usual message. Once you do that, you see the clock icon right beside the message, which tells you that the message is being scheduled. Another amazing feature on the S20 is the ability to lock down your device. If you've ever been in a situation where you don't want people to access your phone, probably when someone tries to unlock your phone using your fingerprints while you're asleep, yes, Justice did that to me once. The button will disable facial recognition, iris scanner, and your phone's fingerprint sensor. So go to your settings and then lock screen, then go to secure lock settings, put your PIN or password. You will see the last option which says show lockdown option. Now activate the lockdown mode. Then you press and hold the power button like you would want to restart or turn off your phone, and then choose lockdown mode. So that shows that your phone is on lockdown mode. If you try to unlock your phone using the iris scanner option or the fingerprint option, that would not work. So the only thing that would work is just the PIN or password mode. To disable that, all you need to do is come back to the show lockdown option and turn it off, and you're back. So the last feature we'll be trying today is the auto restart feature, which allows you to restart your phone once a week on a given day and a given time, and that just helps make sure that your phone runs smoothly all the time. To enable that, go to your settings, scroll to device care, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen, tap on advanced, tap on auto restart, turn it on, and then choose whatever date and time that you want your phone to restart per week. Once you're done with that, click done and you're good to go. So that's it, guys. What do you think? Do you like the Samsung S20 series? Be sure to let us know in the comment section. And please share this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. See you in the next video.